We tested 10 1080p to 4K upscalers across desktop and online. Here are the picks for 2026. Upscaling means converting 1920 by 1080 to 3840 by 2160, 4 times the pixels. AI-based upscaling rebuilds edges, faces, and textures far better than traditional pixel stretching. Top pick: UniFab Video Upscaler AI. 4 models for quality, anime, texture and speed. One-click workflow up to 4K, 8K, and 16K. Other strong desktop picks: Topaz Video AI for maximum manual control, Adobe Premiere Pro for full editor workflow, and VideoProc Converter AI for the best value at $26. If you want online, no install upscaling, TensorPix and CapCut handle short clips fast. HitPaw shines for anime and media. IO adds simple format flexibility. 2 more honorable mentions: AVCLabs for old or black and white footage, and VLC for free basic upscaling. Pick by use case: UniFab for overall quality, VideoProc for value, Adobe for pro editing, TensorPix for online, and VLC if you need free. Final verdict: UniFab gives the best balance of detail, speed, and ease. The top recommendation for 2026. Try UniFab Video Upscaler AI free at unifab.ai.